In just 3 days, we are leaving this paradise that we've been stationed at for the past 5 years. On July 2nd, we are moving back home to Denmark, and I have a lot of exciting news to share because I am planning to turn my business and this channel upside down. We have already packed down most of our stuff. I have invested in a new computer, camera, microphones, and everything that I need to level up my content on YouTube. As you know, I have been receiving a lot of lasers lately. Most of them are already packed down into boxes, but I have been a little limited in my space in regards of making tutorials. So this is my workshop. As said, we've already started packing, but here is our living room. So you might imagine how hard it has been for me to make tutorials and videos while my husband, as well as my toddler and our sleeping, snoring dog is at home. Back in Denmark, I will have my entire workshop outside so I can shut the door and I can start doing lives, which is something that I've truly been missing doing ever since I started taking my channel and content more seriously. Also, I decided to set up a Danish channel since I am Danish, so you guys who are Danish like me can follow along in your own language. This channel was actually started because of my laser files on Etsy. Some of you probably know me already as the laser files designer behind MiMo Design laser files, but I am so much more than that, which is why I decided to turn this channel into a general helping and teaching source so you can get successful with your business or laser in general. I already have my community group on Facebook called Laser Up with MiMo Design, but I decided to also make a Facebook page and an Instagram page, also a TikTok called Laser Up with MiMo Design. On these new pages, I will not be sharing all my promotion of my laser files. These will all be made to help you and be packed with live videos and helpful videos that you can use to run your laser business. Also, I am changing up my entire business when we get back home to Denmark. I will continue making laser cut files on Etsy, but I will also make a new physical side of my business back home in Denmark with shipping to the US and the rest of the world, launch a new Etsy shop, Amazon storefront, and I will also begin to sell materials, but only back home in Denmark until I'm ready to ship it out of my home country. So in case this is something that you would like to follow my journey on, please subscribe to my channel. Please like this video, and also if you have any requests on content or videos that you would like me to make, please drop a comment below, because I will have this channel as well as my new pages filled up with helpful lives videos for you to watch. Let's laser up together.